guys, what's up? It's your girl Donnell, and today's video I'm going to be comparing two popular collagen brands.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Hey guys, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. I decided to create this video is because, check this out, my Neocell is just about gone. Look at that, just about gone. So I need to replenish my collagen supplement like ASAP. So I went to the local store today and I was looking around thinking about how much collagen am I actually receiving in my brand. Now, this super collagen right here, this Neocell, there is 6,600 milligrams of collagen inside here. And at first glance, I thought, that's a good amount. This in return started looking at Vital Proteins, and this is just a single packet, and this has 10 grams of collagen per serving. So it started to make me think, let me do the equation and figure out what is what. And after doing the equation, guys, so let me just break it on down, okay? So that means, and I have it right here, the Neocell Super Collagen has 6.6 grams. So the 6,600 milligrams equates to 6.6 grams. And the Vital Proteins has 10 grams, which equates to 10,000 milligrams. Now guys, what really piqued my interest a little bit more is the fact that the serving in the Neocell, it says this is just one serving of this 6,600 milligrams, and this is a 30-day supply. Overall, when I compare them both, that tells me that this Vital Proteins right here with its 10 grams, which equates to 10,000 milligrams, and this just one packet, that means all around I am getting more collagen in this packet compared to this. Now, that makes me really want to give it a try, and I was a little, sometimes you just don't know if you're gonna have some type of allergic reaction to different brands, so I decided to just purchase this single pack and see how I feel about this, but overall it looks to me, in my comparison and my equation, that the Vital Proteins, the collagen peptides right here, this brand, is actually giving me more collagen than my Neocell Super Collagen. I just wanted to stop on in, guys, and chime in and let you know the equation, who's giving you more collagen, and that's what's up, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning into this video. Don't forget to tap that like button, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, mwah, ciao.